What's happening, guys? We're back in the shed today, working on the hood. Alright guys, that's right. We are getting onto the hood. It's December like 10th or something. December 9th. I promised you guys that we'd work on the hood in December. So there's only a little bit left to do on it. Some final shaping, a little bit of sanding. And then I picked up some shellac base primer. This is supposed to go on before you fiberglass it. I think it's like a better sealant than the latex paint that we have on there now. So we're gonna put that on. We probably won't get to laying glass this episode, but we're gonna try to get everything ready so that next week we can actually lay fiberglass, which is gonna be the nerve-wracking part of it. So let's pull the hood out and start sanding. Not sure how well it shows up on camera, but I drew a level line end to end, and I noticed that right about here, the body line actually dips down. It's about a 1/4 inch low. So I'm gonna grab some drywall mud and kind of fill that in, and depending on drying time, you know, hopefully we get to paint it today. If not, we'll paint it tomorrow. So let's grab the mud and get to it. All right, well now that we put all that mud on the hood, we gotta wait for it to dry before we can sand it back again. think we'll take a quick little break and do some... All right, that should be dry. Let's hit her with a finish sand and then get to painting. And there we go. We got a coat of that shellac on both the cowling and on the hood. I'll probably come back tomorrow once this is fully dry, kind of scuff it back, make sure there's no little surface pinholes or anything, and then throw a second coat on. And then we should be ready to fiberglass next week. So I gotta pick up some mold release wax first, but I'll do that over the week. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna call the episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next week. I'm out of here.